how it is.
All right. We got Chase and E here. What year is that?
2013.
Yeah, 2013 KX250, 2006. What is it? YZ 125 and a 99 RM 250. We're about to go rip the trails out here at Tahuya, and stay tuned. It's gonna be a good time. You guys go ahead. There'll be a while. Scared of the puddles, I see. So this is Ethan's first time on a bike out here in Tahuya. Just got some fresh Alpine Star boots. He hasn't ridden in those before, so he doesn't know what it's like to try and shift and stuff in boots. It's kind of difficult. Just arriving here to Mud Lake right now, right around the corner up here. And it's been raining a lot here, so this lake's got to be full.
These are killing me. I can't feel shit. Yeah, you just have to get used to it.
Yeah, it's really difficult to find neutral in them.
You'll get the hang of it though.
Ethan just got some fresh Alpine Stars. How do they feel?
Feel good, but I don't know how to ride in them.
Yeah, kind of hard to shift, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Chase just rebuilt his 250 last night, rebuilt the top end of it, kind of did the valve clearances and stuff. How's that going?
Oh, it's going good.
Yeah, running good?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Well, here we are at Mud Lake. We're gonna go venture out and try and find Twin Lakes, I suppose. And then I know there's a bus out here. I know kind of how to get to it, but we're gonna see if we can't find that today too. Hoping I don't foul out my spark plug going all slow like this, but whenever I get a chance to open it up and clear out all that oil, I will. Pretty good chance Ethan's gonna fall today, so I'm staying behind him for that, and so that he doesn't fall behind and no one knows. He's new to the trails and new to these boots, so we'll see what happens here. Killed it. This is like the third time Ethan's ever been riding in the trails, so doing pretty good. Last time I was out here, I whiskey throttled it, sent my bike flying through the trails, bent my bars, snapped my clutch lever off. It was quite the crash. Scarred up my back pretty good, actually. I got a big scar from it. Oh, there we go. Two-wheel Tahuya. All these really nice rigs out here. You don't really need a four-wheeler to come out here. Everything out here you can do in two-wheel drive for the most part. There are some really gnarly rock climbs and stuff. Yellow Jacket out here is pretty intense. You need a crawler for. But for most of these trails, you can come out here in your stock Jeep or Toyota or whatever. You know, I've seen Toyota Corollas out here, so. You just run what you brung, you know. These trails we're on right now are mostly four-wheeling trails, just to try and get everybody acclimated right now. Howdy. Any luck out here?
I caught 3.
3? Were they trout or bass?
Bluegill.
Oh, really? Nice. Okay, we made it to one of the Twin Lakes. Bikes are all running good. Tell that story again real quick about the hydroplane.
Oh, I think he rode like 16 miles he was hydroplaning like 16 miles. He did it in the daytime, and then he tried doing it at nighttime. And he tied a rope to his bike with a buoy on it, so if he crashed, he can go back for it. But when he crashed, his leg got stuck in the rope and it pulled him down and killed him.
Yeah, and that was a confirmed story. That actually fucking happened. I've seen those kits you can buy that come with like a, kind of like a, you clip it to your fork and it's kind of like for your front tire, it's a ski.
Oh, yeah.
And I've seen those, but like, I'm curious if you had that on it or what.
I think if you get enough speed from up there, you'll make it all the way across to the other dock on your bike.
I'm skeptical, but I think I got enough rubber on here. It might work out.
You ever been to the hill climb?
There's a hill climb?
Yeah.
I love hill climbs.
All right, let's go to the hill climb.
All right, let's do it. I know all you keyboard warriors are gonna eat me alive for not wearing gloves, but I hate wearing gloves. I always have. They constrict. They like give me carpal tunnel fast. Yeah, brush guards would be great too. That'd be awesome to have. I think after some new tires, I'm gonna get some brush guards. There you go. Hill climbs are my forte. I'm not the best motocross rider on the track. I'm not the fastest trail rider, but boy do I love hill climbs. I killed it. I should have kept it in first. I should have kept it in first gear. About midway up, the ruts got pretty deep. All right, we're gonna try hitting the right side real quick. Fucked it.
God, please, no! No!
Stop it. Get some help.
I gotta hit it from the bottom again. All right, I'm gonna try and get down and hit it from the bottom. I'll get it.
You gonna try the right side?
Yeah, I'm gonna try the left side again too, but it got really deep between all those stumps up there.
Yeah, you said the ruts are gnarly.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's, and then there's a stump on the right.
Third time's the charm. My clutch perch went all the way down in that. I was like,
Oh shit.
fuck.
The best.
Yeah.
Oh, is he stuck? Yeah. He's spinning in the.
I was like, that sounds like spin. Don't fuck it up.
There we go.
Need a little more speed there, huh?
Yeah, that'll fuck you coming downhill. What, you want a photo?
Yeah, I'll come on. You got a single track back there?
A little single track?
Yeah.
Before last time I did a little bit of single track with Kevin, I hit my nuts.
It's not bad. It's just like, it's great through there.
Here, get together for a photo.
You have her tips touch.
Oh. You ready, Ethan?
Yeah.
He has to buckle his helmet for a photo. Photo 1. Photo 2. You want another pose or something? I don't know. There you go.
Dude, that wheelie that I was doing next to you, I shifted up a gear.
Yeah.
The front end came up even more. I thought I was going down.
We're not gay.
I'm not gay, you're gay.
Okay.
Your butthole is.
Yeah. I was topping. Here, hold this real quick. All right, so Chase had to dip out. He's leaving right now. We just loaded up his bike. Ethan and I are gonna go and try and find this elusive bus everyone talks about. You guys know how to get to the school bus?
The what?
The school bus. No? I think it's down that way. You guys know how to get to the school bus? We'll find out. Thanks. And you guys know how to find the school bus from here?
What?
The school bus. There's a short bus out here somewhere. No, never seen it?
A direct stream in the city itself.
You guys know where to find the short bus?
What was that?
You know where to find the short bus at?
The
Short bus. There's a bus out here.
Is it something that's new?
No, it's been here a long time. I've never been able to find it, but people are always posting photos of
That
it.
must be on the bike trails or something.
Yeah. All right. What about you guys? You ever heard of the short bus out here? No.
Oh, the short bus?
Yeah.
That is out, I want to say the Overland Trail.
Okay. All right.
And that is, the Overland is that way.
Past the other staging area?
Yeah.
All right.
It's out there or somewhere else. I know I've seen videos of it.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find, but I thought you could find it from this logging road over here, but
Well, there's a logging road if you go right over down here.
yeah.
There's a logging road, Goat Ranch Road,
Uh-huh.
that goes all the way over to Sand Hill.
Yeah.
And so it might be that direction, but that's the direction of the overland.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate you.
Yep, no problem.
You want to just go back to the truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. All right, you guys, we're gonna pack up right now. We couldn't find the bus. We know it's down a trail that's pretty far away, and we're already pretty pooped for the day. So next time we come out here, I'm gonna be doing a bushcraft camping video with a little bit of dirt biking involved as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Keep dangling, you guys.
God, please, no! No!